A lot of you guys are asking me what crypto exchanges are actually worth it to check out. So in this video I want to talk about Zoomex, a crypto exchange that's focusing on making trading very simple and easy. And on top of that, guys, they're also running some reward campaigns where you can actually earn some bonuses and win prizes by trading. So I'm going to explain you guys step by step how it works. So listen carefully and let's just dive into the video. Alright guys, we have headed into the exchange platform, and as you can see it looks very nice. They also have their own apps, guys, so just you can download it and use it. It's actually very fast. So the first thing I want to use and show you guys is how to deposit into this platform. So you just go right above on this and you see the first thing is deposit. So at the top, guys, you can select your own cryptocurrency. For now on, I'm using USDT, for example, of course. You can also use some Bitcoin, Ethereum, it doesn't matter. So check it out. And you can select your network. If you're sending from an Ethereum, you can use ERC20. Just be careful and check it out from where you're sending, of course. And this is the deposit network. You can just copy it, guys, and you just paste it from where you're sending, and then it comes into the Zoomex. This address is only for you guys, so you can copy and paste it and also deposit how much you want, of course. So it comes here and it will show you guys how much you have deposited and what day and what time. So it's very handy. You can check it out, guys. It says all the information you actually need. Alright guys, and now let's talk about the trading part on Zoomex. So I'm just gonna show you guys the spot trading part. So just click on spot, guys. And first of all, guys, wow, take a look at this dashboard. You don't see this at other exchanges. It's very clean, easy to understand and perfect for spot trading. And to start trading, click on spot at the top, of course, like here. And spot trading is where you buy and sell the crypto directly without leverage, which makes it great option for beginners, of course. So you can choose the trading pair you want to trade. Of course, we have the BTC, so the Bitcoin. You can also choose and trade with Ethereum, Solana, doesn't matter with Ondo. And once you select the pair, guys, the chart and the market data will update automatically. And guys, you can enter how much you want to spend or how much crypto you want to buy here, of course. And everything stays very organized, which makes managing your trades much easier. And also, guys, if you want to transfer your assets, just click on transfer and you can choose your coin and the amount from your funding account to your spot account, or it doesn't matter, from your spot to your funding, very easily. It's also very well explained and very handy, so check it out. Now let's talk about the coolest part, guys, because Zoomex has his own reward campaign. As you can see on the screen, Zoomex is currently running a deposit and trade to win campaign. And when you deposit your funds, you can receive a bonus rewards up to 50%, with bonus going to $50 depending on how much you deposit, of course. For example, if you deposit $50, you can receive a $25 bonus, and if you deposit like $100, you receive a $50 bonus. On top of that, the bonus rewards, Zoomex also giving users a chance to win very exclusive prizes, including items like Rolex watches and other high value rewards. All you need to do is deposit and trade and participate to the campaign. So if you're already planning to trade, guys, this is a great way to get extra value and rewards at the same time. So they even have a Switch or an iPhone 17 Pro or the Apple Vision Pro or the MacBook. Yeah, this is a very getting popular type of exchange. So check it out. Link in description, guys. Also, don't forget to use my code. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get to the outro, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. This was Taco, guys. Don't forget, check the Zoomex. And guys, see you the next time. Like always, ciao.